This video is for CPTR 1500, Introduction to Computers. It is for Module 3, Assignment 3A. We're going to key 4 paragraphs. Well, we're key a heading in 4 paragraphs using the normal margins and the default spacing. Okay, again, I'm using Microsoft 365 that is provided in your by the college by accessing your Gator Mail account. All right, so I'm going to begin the assignment. Notice that I'm on the layout tab, margins. I'm going to just use the default, the normal, and you can see over here where it has the spacing options. There's this spacing after 8 point, and that is anytime we press enter, it is going to automatically include a blank space. So the assignment is what's been lost in the history of word processing, and then, sorry, this was tabbed. Realize that. So notice that when I pressed enter, it automatically left a blank line, blank horizontal space after the first line. So, and I forgot to turn my caps lock off. Okay, and then again, when I pressed enter for the next paragraph, it automatically left that extra space between the 2 paragraphs, which is what I want. Okay, you see we get this this punctuation, grammar, spelling check, but I'm going to leave this. This is the way that it that was the original writer. This is the punctuation that they use, so I'm going to leave that alone. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste the other 2 paragraphs because I don't want to spend all my time keying this. So I'm going to paste change the font. Okay, let me just change all of this to Libra 11. So you can see it more easily. Okay, then I'm going to copy and paste the final paragraph. And you can see that make sure that we change it so that we're consistent. Calibrate 12. Okay. You can see that as you pressed, every time you pressed enter, that it automatically added that blank space there. Let me get back to the layout. I want to we have, okay, let me go back to the Home tab. Alright, I want to do show hide. I'm going to use the show hide, and I click on that ellipsis to get the more options, and then it's the show hide, and so it shows a paragraph marking, and then you see the little dot between each of the words to show the space between the words. But you see the paragraph marking every time enter is pressed, and you can see that with this format, it automatically leaves that that horizontal space between. We didn't have to, we just pressed enter one time. Okay, let me get rid of these two. Okay, so we got rid of that. I had some extra space when I copied and pasted. Okay, the only other thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to bold the heading, and I'm going to go back and turn off that show hide. Okay, and so then I'm going to save this. It has the normal margins. It's the default spacing for Microsoft Office. So I'm going to save this document. I'm going to name this Module 3 Microsoft Word Assignment 3A. Assignment 3A. Okay, and so I'm going to save this, and just pressed enter and it was saved. And then I'll start another video to show you how we're going to do 3B.